Hi, I'm Aaron Cameron. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at Encore Business Solutions. So what we're going to talk about today is how organizations choose software, specifically using an application approach versus the right way, which we feel is the Microsoft platform approach. So when organizations are choosing software, they typically limit what they're evaluating that software on based on the features and functions within the ERP or CRM system today, instead of thinking about how they can interact with that ERP or CRM system using commonly used technologies like Outlook or Excel, which in turn limits the efficiency, access to information, better decision-making, all the added benefits of being able to access information from the ERP system from whatever tool makes most sense. Organizations that pick purpose-built applications versus platform-based applications are typically going to have to add on additional software and features and functions that come at additional cost in order to get the intended desired result, instead of leveraging what you likely already own. So with all of these considerations in mind, at Encore, we recommend the Microsoft platform. You can every day interact with that ERP or CRM system directly through your inbox, export and import to Excel, use that data to engage with AI functionality in order to give you recommendations as to what you should perform next within your business. Now imagine all of this sitting on the Azure platform that is completely secure and effectively always up. Our clients have found a lot of extra benefit in the IT world in that they don't have to babysit integrations nearly as much. They don't have to spend time on security, nor do they have to spend time on keeping the hardware up and going, which opens them up to value-added activities like new technologies, such as incorporating AI into business processes or application development within the Power Platform. Organizations that have invested in the Microsoft platform now find that their data is much more quick to access, reliable, connected, secure, and overall efficient. So these are just some of the benefits that almost every organization gets out of the Microsoft platform. But some of those benefits are going to be very unique to each individual business. Reach out to us anytime. We'd love to chat with you.